Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys what the hummingbird does in Grow a Garden. So I think its ability is honestly pretty up. Basically, every 58 seconds, it converts a random single harvest plant into a seed equivalent. It also ignores favorited plants. So basically, if you have a single harvest plant, maybe like a watermelon or a pumpkin, I think it's going to convert it to a seed type plant. So if it targets a golden egg, the player will receive a golden egg seed. So I think this is good if you want, so for mushrooms, I think I'm just going to use that for that because it's very hard to get by. I actually just don't want to have to be into this game that much because I don't know, the restocks are insane. But yeah, I still put on stock modifier for the transcendent seeds, but yeah, I think this is a good ability to have in my garden. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.